500 schools, 20 colleges, and many of Mohalla clinics. But only Mohalla clinics were established. None of them were start. None of the doctors were start the practice at Mohalla clinics. Only neither of college established, neither of school established. What are you doing for the our state?
We wanted to pass the bill, but the central government will not pass the bill.
Why?
Because the central government has the party which is BJP, and BJP is not passed our bill.
So that's right. So you come on strike. So you come on strike on MCD. Yeah, the MCD workers spread garbage here and there, due to which all the public were in deep trouble.
Because the central government
It is not a
will not
solution.
provide. If
So it is a solution to
it
become
will not provide the fund, then how can we pay the?
So you can declare the strike.
Yes, that's the only way to.
How?
Definitely, Mr. Narendra Modi will also speak about something about it.
They provide the fund, but the fund which was left it then the Congress party. So it is that it is that way. So that is the reason the MCD officers doing that strikes.
Listen, Mr. Modi, we have cleared all our bill, okay? There is nothing has
I
been
don't
now.
think
How can you so this?
there are so many crores rupees is left to paying MCD officers.
There is nothing left. We have cleared all our bill, okay?
Congress party hadn't done anything in 10 years.
Yeah.
And then
How much
Yes,
have you done
we have
in
done
3 years? You can only
We have done a lot.
we can only
We have done twice the work which has done by the Congress in 10 years. We have done it in 3
When
years.
our party
What type of work
was
you
ruling,
done
we
in
had
10
provided
years?
housing to
One
many
by one,
people.
one by party will
We are
speak
ruling
about something.
70 years in our India. So what will you
So
do?
we have done a lot.
What?
What your party has done?
We are starting every person's account, bank account. We giving the electricity to
You are,
every.
you are,
Jan Dhan
you are
Yojana.
just opening,
Yeah.
you are
Swachh
opening
Bharat Abhiyan.
everybody's bank account because you just want to have an eye on their money.
We have not a money eye on that person's money. We should get some black money from that. We are politicians, persons. You get.
You just
So,
listen. If a maid is working in houses, she's gathering her money. She does not has any accountant to show her salary. You are when you started demonetization, she had no way to get new rupees.
she have a account, so he get that money from the accounts.
Okay, just if she had gathered some little bit more money, so you asked her how where did you get it?
I don't
How
think
can
poor
you show?
persons is doing fared on that time. We are the only the big leaders and politicians, other businessmen is getting in on that time.
Okay,
fair.
just tell me what had done from that.
We-
Many people who had lot of money, they gave that money to that that workers, that laborers, daily wagers,
You know how much money
maids.
get it by demonetization about black money?
Okay,
15 lakh crore rupees coming from the government accounts.
you don't have any
Excuse
proof
me,
to show us.
but no black money. It did not show an effect on black money.
Why
Demonetization does not show any effect on black money
Why?
because
15 lakh
corruption
crore
is done.
rupees come in bank. So
only
it is only
50,000
black
crore
money.
rupees only left. Only 50,000. 14 lakh 50,000 will come in bank, and 15 lakh crore is total black money in our
The
country.
Congress party, when they published the note on that time, they published that not 2 times, not only 1 time.
You said
They-
it will not be easy to make new money. That 2000 notes. When the bank was giving that money in the form of exchange, the black money had been started on that time. That fake 2000 note were starting. People had started making that 2000 rupees note.
Don't you
On
think
that
The black money was also
very
changing
easier?
black money on exchange rate,
Yeah,
like on
many
30%,
people-
on that time
20%,
we should
40%.
take strict actions.
What type of action? Police is also with the
Yeah.
corruption. Police
But-
also doing corruption, and the
We
black
are,
managers.
just
when-
CBI is doing that our work on that time.
Excuse me, I want to ask for everyone, what is your opinion about retirement age for politician?
Retirement.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, there should be a retirement.
Our party
And-
is
Retirement after 60.
but even then our Indian politician, they are the sitting
Our
here,
party
and
is-
then about 75% more than is they are doing to the,
Yes, sir.
they are using of the politician. And then what is your opinion about it?
There should be an age limit for politicians.
But
too.
yeah, our central department will not taking to the step like this.
Our party is going to the budget system on that time. The Congress is not published that
Most of the
Bill.
BJP leaders are senior citizens.
also
Don't you think that we have to change the?
we should change that.
How
but the
many
Congress
young
leaders
people
will
are
not
become
do it.
leader? Did you think? Did you
In Aam
listen?
Aadmi Party, most of the leaders are young.
But what type of work they
But
do?
most every person are.
They don't have any experience about politics.
Yeah.
They don't have any
So you
experience
think
about.
that only the 60 plus years
They
come
have
into the
experience.
politics and do? for
You know
politics?
that our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi ji, have 15 years experience of CM. Then they become PM. After that,
Excuse me, I want to ask a question from you. Then please tell me the cons of the demonetizations. You did all the profit of the demonetization. Please tell me the cons of the demonetizations. Losses.
I think there is no losses of after.
How can you say there is no
How
losses?
can-
Most of the
Yes.
the market is closed for 2 days, you know.
Many people have died.
But
There is no
because
exchange.
Only that person is across the market who use the black money.
On that time, marriage season is during on. Why are you taking this decision in a suddenly? You know about that.
Because on that time we are thinking so much and we are talking about the RBI manager. So he told that that is the time to best time to publish that notes, because at this time there are so many black money come to at the person's own. So that is the reason.
You give information.
Will it reduce the corruption?
You
Will it
give
reduce
information to the
corruption?
Ambani. You give
Yes.
information to the Ambani before
That's
8
why
months.
That's why
he changes black money into white money by
By
introducing
providing
Jio,
Modi ji.
Jio SIM, free Jio SIM.
I
You
don't
only
think-
introduce. Yes,
I don't think that Ambani is doing that work like JioSIM is given by free. It is
I
that
don't
person
take
Yeah.
on that time the
Ambani has
I don't
every
agree.
information that it is happening in November. So he
the daughter of
started.
the Ambani is told that on that her father, so that is the reason he opened that.
This is not a reason. The Ambani will support you in election by 5,000 crores.
There
So
are
that's
so
the
many
reason you will
money
support
of-
Ambani.
So much black
He
money of
provide-
India
Listen.
is in.
Listen to everyone. Our next reporter will ask you about something from you.
So I want to ask from you that which party, the Aam Aadmi Party or the BJP, who will make the India clear change?
No one. Both
But-
parties has
Both
done
parties are
nothing.
nothing.
Only our party has done a lot for this country.
I want to ask
Why
a question
can't
from
you
you.
do
Excuse me.
What work
Army,
to be
Yeah.
done?
you do any surgical strike? You do any strict action for a black
We
to
had
getting
done
black money?
surgical strike, but we did not show. You
I
just
will
you
you
only,
give me a
you only
time.
showed because you just wanted to get vote. You just want to attract people. We did nothing for this.
Ma'am, I
did
want
not
to
do
ask
anything.
you
You
will
are
not
so
show.
Like
then how
that.
can people aware about it that you did or not?
We told them when Modi ji had done surgical strike, on that time our party had cleared that we did it too. On that time we told
Give me
people.
any one proof. Little bit.
In 2006, there was a surgical strike which no one had been come to know.
We are also doing that surgical strike in Myanmar.
And you are just showing. We never showed, okay?
When Commonwealth Games were happened, there is a lot of Ghotala, 2G spectrum Ghotala. Did you do any investigation? What type of investigation was done in Congress Party rules at the time of Congress Party?
There was no Ghotala.
How
There
can
was
2G spectrum Ghotala, many Ghotalas were done at the time of Commonwealth Games.
This is just a
Vijay
rumor which is
Mallya.
spread by our competitive
You want to say that
parties.
they are the rumors?
Yeah.
They are
Vijay
not
Mallya
rumors.
is also doing loan.
Okay, you are thinking about Vijay Mallya, but about
Kingfisher
Nirav
was
Modi.
sold.
Nirav Modi also
But
did
you
that.
never spoke any word against him. What about that?
Excuse me, I want to ask another question from all of you. How many politicians have criminal background and after then they have a ticket to election?
Even
in
Amit Shah has a
most
criminal background.
leaders.
One by one, please speak it.
There are so many leaders in
So
Congress.
how can they all get the tickets to election?
Ask
By
him.
giving
He is one
party
of his
for
minister,
dictatorship.
Amit Shah has a criminal
One
background.
by one, Sonia Gandhi, please.
Yeah, one of his minister, Amit Shah, has a criminal background. He did so much domestic violence on his second wife. And his son, what is his name? That Shah, whatever Shah. He has also some kind of, he did some kind of ghotala in his business.
So what
And
do you
he is
think it is
supporting-
good?
He is a
Your
great-
party is ruling about 70 years.
So
But
now,
what is done in-
now, what about him? I'm asking him about his minister. that Amit
Your
Shah
party
is
has a
criminal
slogan,
background.
eat and eat also eat others.
What is your GDP
Khao
growth rate
aur
in
khane do.
your
Your party has a slogan.
What did you say? Please repeat.
GDP growth rate?
There were good growth rate. Our country was exporting so much.
Only
There was a
6.6. At this time, the growth rate of our country is 7.2.
It's
It is
just a
better.
rumor,
It is
okay?
much
Excuse
better than
me,
yours.
your party has a slogan.
Yeah.
Only khao and khane do.
Yeah, and
It's
what
a-
is party doing? Khao, khao and khao. No khane do.
How can you say
How
that?
can you say that? Our
How-
party is doing work hardly. Our
Okay,
Yes,
but one of
I
the
am
minister
they are
has
doing
spent
for the
500 crore in
poor
her
people.
daughter's wedding. What about that?
on that money is
Form will pass and the money is given to the peoples. And if the people can spend money in other business, this is not the party's fault, I think.
Yeah.
This
Excuse
is
me,
not
I
party's
want
fault.
demonetization, declare it on the situation. Also, people has a in a marriage, children has a marriage. So how can you say that? Why are you declare it on the situation? That many people problem in that.
Yeah, it will be the season of marriage and the persons who
Think
save the
about
money
that.
is-
Many marriages were
And
stopped
you said that
due
was
to
the
this.
best time.
On that
On
time,
8
we are also
November,
say
I think
that
I
all
you
I have-
you taking the card and saw the manager, bank manager, and after that
If I am a poor
No,
people, I have not a
Poor
credit
people
card.
has
How
not
can
have
you
the
say
credit
that I
cards,
use
no
it?
debit cards and
I am
everything.
not saying
Marriage card, marriage card, marriage card.
marriage card.
You know what the
But
problem
only
is?
one
Never
many
understand problem of poor. You never understood.
We understand the
I think all
we
the
understand the
all the
problem of poor
politicians
persons,
cannot
and that is the
understand.
reason we are getting so much increasing our growth so in our country. Like
They want
26
growth, they
states.
want to clean our
Yeah.
country,
They
not want to
only
eat
want that-
our
Okay,
spices.
he said they want to clean our country.
Oh.
What growth has been done?
How much you clean it?
Many
Our
growth
country, how
in-
much?
We are cleaning the growth rate, so on that time we are the reason we are getting 26 states on our seats. So if we are a good person, so on that time that person is giving the votes for us.
How much black money you get?
We get, I also told that 15 lakh crore.
It's not the black money.
It is a
It's
black.
the total money which is.
It is another different. The money which comes from the demonetization is different.
Difference can work, but it is false by the police and the bank managers.
And what will you
And
say
now we
about
should
those
also
people
take
who are
the
right then?
specific actions on that.
You
persons.
always told that we are doing that work only for the poor and poor.
Excuse me, I want to ask for everyone, what is your opinion about education qualification for politician?
Your
There are the sitting the 4 members, and then I want to ask for everyone, what is your opinion? Our
there should be a educational qualification for politicians. His minister, what was her name? That Smriti Irani.
Smriti Irani,
Yeah, she
educational minister.
was an actress. She has completed her 12th class.
She don't even complete his 12th class.
When she was about to complete,
she is
she came in
completed her
industry.
12th class and she is also sold the certificate.
It was fake.
Yeah,
It is
You
not
know
a
what
fake.
it is? It's fake.
Also take some strict actions, but after that we find that it is real, so we should clear
A
that.
woman who was an actress and she just came in your party and you made her education minister.
She is not working
Education is
after
compulsory,
that.
but also have the
She is
abilities
doing some
to
work
do
and
work.
after that we are getting
For the
giving
welfare
that
of the
job.
society is also compulsory.
He has no-
If you have the, I want to ask you, if you have the only education and you don't have any abilities to work for the welfare of the society, what is the need of education? What is the use of education? What is the value?
When we were ruling, on that time 10th class there was a board,
Okay.
central board. Okay,
Okay.
many students had that on that time because they did not qualify their 10th class. We made it optional, home board or central board.
That is the reason it is not growing on that time.
How can you say?
Now
In home board
in-
cheatings was
Yeah.
also
Children
freely.
is doing so many.
Students can
Right.
cheat freely cheat.
in central board it is happening too. Student in
So you
12th
will have to
class
take this
So this is
step.
How
why
can
you
you
have
say
to
that?
provide
Two
awareness
teachers,
among
one
the
on
students.
every
I
class.
think on that time in your rural areas, when you are doing on that time there is no camera in the schools. Nowadays we are giving the CCTV cameras.
So what are you doing now? In 12th class there were so many papers. Almost every exam, every question paper were leaked.
It is a cyber crime, not the auto
After
party.
you should take also strict
They-
actions
they
on
should-
that person.
It is
Yeah,
a
it's
cyber
the
crime.
fault of government.
It is not a
They
fault
are
of
not making
Because
the
in form
they
of-
are not-
it is a fault of the students who don't want to study and want to pass by cheating.
No, it's only
And
the
it is
fault of the
There should be a
government.
seal on exam question paper, okay? So
What?
there should be a seal on question paper. So
Okay.
students come to know that it has been seen by any other person before
It is
them.
supported by also by teachers. The
Yeah.
the teachers have given exam before the 1 day or 2 day. They open the seal, they click the picture of the papers, and they pack the
When
seal.
there is a seal on question paper, there is a seal on every
It is
question
also
paper, not
I
only on
think
one
it is
question
also
paper.
held on your time.
And you know also after listening that the paper is leak on that time, he also take the action towards it, that the paper is also due again, and it will be a fully inquiry that the paper should be leak or not. It will be he do many of the things
And the
after
punishment
the paper.
given to the fault people.
Yeah.
Guilty people.
Every exams question paper were leaked. So why only economics?
Only the main clues given by only on that
You
time
are
given
given
There
by
were also proof for accountancy, okay?
we have no on that time we have no proof on that time.
You know
You have
what?
also
CBSE is
proof of
also
10th
supporting, okay?
board. Maths,
Yeah, so we should take action on that and
but you
just
don't even take the
checking times. There are so
What
many.
are you taking the action now? What is where is your investigation?
Our investigation is doing very fastly and so many persons are arrested by police. Now we should-
Please tell me their names. Please tell me their names.
Mukesh, Suresh, Rajesh,
And
and
many
the
other-
three
and
other
many others.
three students and also the two CBI teachers who helped that person.
Yeah, I agree with his statement fully because I daily open newspaper and I see there is always the inquiries going on. That's why you have no right to say anything.
What if I say there are so many newspaper companies which are in support of him?
Also,
They are
Congress.
supporting him. Not us, okay? They are supporting Mr. Modi because
We are doing
But you
doing
don't do
our-
anyone
doing
which
good
for
work
which
for a
the
person.
newspaper company can support you.
Okay,
Do
just
anyone?
tell me, Mr. Anmar Share, before some years you were in support of Aam Aadmi Party, so why now BJP?
That time the party has given many types of promises which I think which is welfare of the society, because I am only social welfare and I want to do welfare of the society.
But we do.
But after
But
election,
we do.
if the party is not
Which
doing
type of
pa-
work you do?
only electricity bill and only water
You
bill,
don't give-
is
No.
what you do.
You
Also,
don't
you
give
don't-
Wi-Fi.
No, you give Wi-Fi, you give free Wi-Fi here.
it's on working after
It's on working.
1 year. After 1 year.
Excuse
we
me,
pass.
but you also
The bill has passed.
support to form support to him his government to form government support to why are you support to government?
Which government?
Aam Aadmi government. Yeah, you support to.
We are just supporting him because of his
Because you want to make
Government.
government.
Yeah,
You want to
Yeah.
defeat BJP
He's
by
doing
Sangathan.
He's doing good work in educational field, okay? That's why we are supporting him.
So what is your opinion about Karnataka elections?
Yeah.
You are in Sangathan and
Yeah.
that state.
But
So,
you
you
want
want-
the election is
you want to
starting on
combine-
that, you said we are
By
not
making
sure.
cartels, we can do very well, okay? In UP2, if there were a cartel of our Congress and SP, we have ability to make that state very well. Uttar Pradesh,
Huh?
Uttar Pradesh, okay?
It is not
There is
helpful for
only
the parties.
crime in Uttar Pradesh.
So
It is a
crime
crime.
has stopped now in his party.
Yeah, we should
Many
take so many
steps can be taken. No, there is low chances of cheating in UP at that time because the investigation is very tight and security is very tight at the Raj of
So you
Mr. Yogi.
The security which are you talking about now? Many students had not given exam. They
So that's
but
why
they
investigation
have
can
a mark
happen.
sheet. You know why?
And it is done at the time of Congress and Samajwadi
Yeah,
Party. It is only done there.
That's not true. Okay, they did not give
That-
exam and
it
now
is
they
true.
have a mark
They
sheet.
only
How
give
this
for
can
their
be?
for religion parties, for their religion, for their society. They only do. 85% of people in the UP are Yadav people.
So what?
They are in IPS, IES post. If there are any general people or any SC, ST people can crack the exam, they are not getting the post because they are not their society.
In Delhi and other states there are Yadavs too, okay, in the form of different
Because
kind of surnames.
they are on their ability.
Jadeja, Reddy and many other surnames.
They are on their
also
ability. In
carrying.
Delhi, there is no party. You can say that. But in UP,
In
there
Delhi
is
too,
only.
many Yadavs are being
You think 85%
cracking.
people are OES, IPS. Special
They all
post
are-
only given to only Yadav. There is not. How many Gupta, Goyal, Jain, and Sharma, and you can see.
So what is the fault of Samajwadi Party if there are a majority of
They-
Yadavs?
There is no majority. They can only support the Yadav.
No, they are not only support the other, they are support the talent.
Okay,
They are not.
supporting
It is done in Delhi. It's not in UP. It is done in Delhi.
In Delhi too, the
There is a-
Yadavs also cracking exams.
Excuse me guys, excuse me. I ask you, okay, in our India, girls are no same. You know about that.
Yes.
Okay, which parties take a deeply decision ki take a step ki girls are safe now? So anybody take any decision?
Yes,
Should
we
they-
provide female security phone number
Okay.
also.
How much security?
How much security?
24/7.
Okay.
We provide the
But
security.
daily 20 rapes can
But
happen.
when I watch on your TVs and that
Newspaper.
newspaper, I also read that suddenly a girl raped. So how can you say that? Think about that, guys.
We made the special force for them to save.
Which
But,
type of force?
In
What is the name of
each and
force?
every place that forces came.
What is the name of
If a
force?
girl wear a short dresses and other people comment on her,
We should pass the for court that the case is doing in the fast track courts. Now we are also doing some strict action on that person.
you just take it, not doing anything.
There should be a strict action against those people who are making such crimes.
I want to
There
ask
should
you
be a-
which
Which
kind
type
of
of-
strict action do you take? Do you all?
In 2012, Nirvana Khan will happen.
Yeah.
And no take such type of action. When the girl will die, the action will take at that time. At that time, the Congress is in the
center
state.
and also
Center and also
on the
state.
time
In Delhi
result,
state.
In Delhi state.
on that time elections were about to come. Okay.
Election in
So that is the reason you
2014.
should not take
2014
action.
is the
2 years
election.
was not enough for us. It was the end of 2012. 1 year was not enough for us.
But when the girl will die, when the girl will die,
70
action will taken
If
at against
also-
after died.
If
That
we
of the
will,
girl.
we will win in this election, then we will definitely take a
All the
So you
money
can use your
I-
phone.
whenever
Your
election
action
is
should take
coming,
some
and then you doing on the time, and you are doing more to more, give a many solution and give many suggestions and all people. But after that, after when you win the election, that on the situation
We always try to fulfill our promises. We always
You
try
only
to-
want to fulfill your money.
You are
That's it.
caught on your own statement. You are caught. You say that only 1 year is it. Your party is doing work for all, for their
Yeah.
all selfishness.
We-
Then, suppose if the girl is your relative and it is done with your relative, then you can take any action. After two weeks, the action will take when the girl will die very badly, very badly. condition.
We were trying our best, but there were some circumstances.
I
to
think
be-
Which
you are
circumstances?
only-
Which circumstances? All the peoples in the
Now
state.
your party is ruling and but over
Yeah, we
that,
should take some
but over that
strict action.
But the
area
process which are
okay?
taking is very
But
long.
over that-
Don't you think that we have to make it short process?
In your party, which your process is very fast. You think so?
We try our best.
You are not trying.
No,
No,
we
this
try
is
our
not-
best.
Modi ji, I think
Result
Modi
will
ji
not
enjoy
happen,
life
result will-
and going here, there, I think that.
But you did, you
Yeah,
are
yeah.
just fulfill your dream
Yes,
of world tour,
and
okay?
We
yes.
should doing every work for a women's for a
Yeah, yeah,
No,
yeah,
it
yeah,
is
yeah.
seen after
Excuse
5
me,
years.
just a
Yes,
matter of
you
saying.
Excuse me, you
It is
cannot
seen-
blame on anyone. You all are not doing anything, so you cannot blame on anyone.
So don't you think that you have to change other party?
You also change yourself. I
No.
can say this.
It's-
I think you
it's
should, when the election is started on that time, you are saying we are not taking a security, but after that the election.
You come on the door to door and want election. Give vote us, vote us, vote us. You hold our hand. And after
Because
that,
we have to
and
do
after,
for the people.
and after
Because we
that,
have to do for the people.
what type of work you do for the people after 3 years?
You don't have not done
no,
like this,
no
you
one
don't
is done it.
have done. After
Correct,
election you
correct.
did it.
Correct.
Yes, yes, yes.
We have done so many people.
What
Work
type?
for the people.
You
Which
are-
one?
First of all, please speak.
Mr. Annada.
Mr.
Kejriwal.
Kejriwal, you have everyone. You have to listen to Mr. Kejriwal, and after that, one by one, you will have to ask to him. Please.
We provide free water for one
Okay.
month 20,000 liters.
Okay.
And we provide electricity bill
Okay.
which was
These
very
two
less.
works
Also.
Okay.
Home loan tax we owe negligibly.
How much people can get home loans?
If the people has the home, then he has the home loan.
How much people can they can this work is stop in
How can you
verification
provide that?
and corruption if taken.
And you also said that you provides Wi-Fi and also
Yes,
also
the bill was passed and it was done an year after.
and you also said that you
But
provide
after a year your time is completed.
We are waiting only. Yeah, after the
After
final.
one year,
person
after
can
1
only
year,
wait.
it will done. And
3 years
every
will
person-
done.
every
Will
person-
complete or your during your party in state and
Yeah.
no college and no school, which is very must for education will happen will open in the state.
When you promised for Wi-Fi, many youngsters were attracted to your party. They gave vote to your party because of that Wi-Fi.
Your 25
It's
minister.
in process.
It's in process.
Yes,
It is
it's in
in
process.
process.
Do you know that's why my first question is that the parties always do the promises and promises not be completed them.
Yes.
They just do promises
We
at the
have
time
all-
of election.
we have 2 years. We have 2 years and we are doing.
What you done in 3 years?
We are doing.
You
our
have-
best.
when you
we
have-
have done so many things for the people.
Only for electricity. How? Which type of employment? This is the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Yojana. Is occupied by Mr. Narendra
So how
Modi.
can you say how many people are getting that
That
the benefit
yojana.
of that yojana?
There are so
Many
many
people,
people.
if they want to work, they can join the job.
No.
They can register
Yes.
with this yojana and they can learn the work on computer and they can get the job of about per month 16,000, per month 18,000.
The skills which they are talking about, they were existed here, but they were in the form of another name. Okay, you can search on Google.
Which name?
I don't need.
When you don't have knowledge, why can you ask?
Okay, there was a Ladli Yojana. Now he has started something else in UP. Okay, they were not. I am not talking about Ladli Yojana, but there was a scheme when Akhilesh Yadav used to give laptop and bicycle to girls and
Scooties.
yeah,
No
scooties
scooty
to-
will govern, only laptop.
Only laptop.
Only
And
laptop.
cycles
And
too,
bags.
okay,
Cycles for 12th class girls.
Yeah.
12th class girls.
Yeah.
I agree with this point.
Yeah, he had given he had given these things to so many
You are
girls
against
and
with the Aam Aadmi Party or
But-
not?
But Akhilesh Yadav not provides all school, matlab all schools. They only provides one or two colleges or
how can you say one
Yeah.
or two colleges? There are
Yeah.
so many schools and colleges. Not colleges. It was for schools. Okay.
the laptop is not provides all colleges.
Not
Yeah.
colleges. It was for schools.
No college.
There are 700 colleges
Yeah.
in UP which are fraud. What are you done for this? when your party is ruled about 70 years, you know that in UP 700 colleges which is affiliated to CCSU, Chaudhry Charan Singh, which are the Prime Minister of UP for only 1 year. For the name of their university will have held, and there are 700 fraud colleges were held. Were run.
When Samajwadi Party was ruling, they were taking actions towards that. Okay.
There is no action can taken. No
We
college
were-
was closed.
They were taking,
You are only
okay.
doing ghotales.
You are only-
There was no such
you are
ghodala,
doing
okay.
scandal.
Like
Excuse me, I want to ask, what you think a politician able to understand the aspiration of the youths?
Repeat the question, please.
What do you think the politicians are able to understand the aspirations of the people?
I didn't think so. They don't understand because they are not doing anything.
Yes.
Kejriwal has promises for employment scheme, but they
we done,
don't.
but we done,
Which
but
job?
we done.
Can you give any name of your scheme?
I am giving, but you are not listening. You are just due to bus to that we are giving employment to the people.
Which name? Which scheme name? Which type of
I
employment?
forget the name.
You forget your part. Your
You can
standard.
search. You can
are-
search on Google.
Why
You can
I
search on
am
Google.
searching? You are the
Because you have not the knowledge about that.
you are
we
CM.
but
You are CM.
Ye-
You
yes.
introduce the scheme and you don't have knowledge.
Because-
why are you asking me to
because-
search this?
Because that's not my work which we.
You are CM.
Yes,
you are,
I am
you
CM.
Are you signed the bill.
Yes,
the
I am
bill was
signing
going to the
bill.
local.
But the different people are doing different works.
Yeah, you do work and you don't know that what type of work you do.
Sometimes it's not possible to remember
Yes,
everything. A
because
CM
I
has
am
a
telling
lot